Hey, what's up YouTube? And today I'm going to show you guys how to use uh, this is an app called Feel Connect. I repeat, that's called Feel Connect. Now this is not for kids and children, so if you have children or if you have children in the room or child's in the room, you might want to have them leave. Or if you're alone or single, whatever, like me, that's fine too. So this is for the Fleshlight launch or any other Kiiroo products. Alright. Now, so first what you want to do is go into the Feel Connect app. And then you go to, oh, excuse me, I'm a little bit tired. I just woke up. Then you go to Connect Partner. Click Share. Hit Share. Hit Share. And you have Facebook, WhatsApp, Skype, Telegram, or you could copy and clipboard to like Snapchat or any other, like Instagram or Snapchat or whatever. And you click that. And if you already have somebody there, like I already have someone saved on here, you click on one of these. So you click whatever ones you want to be on. Alright. And then go connect to the device and go to add a device. And you go to select the devices, and then you go to device controller. Then down here on the left, the bottom left corner, hit over here where this says local control, and switch it over to green where it says partner control. Now you are able to move this around. Your partner should be able to move this around, and you should be able to control it that way. So that's how that works, and that's how you use a partner for long distance. Hope that helps, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks.